Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So today we are going to use Masscan to scan the internet. So as always, make sure that you have permission on whatever scan that you're doing. So what we are going to use today, we are going to use Masscan. So as always, if there's a tool that you don't understand, you can actually type what is and then the name of that tool. The name of the tool, Masscan. So Masscan is a fast scan of the internet. So it's a tool that you can use to scan the internet. But today, what we are going to do, we are going to try to scan all the port 80 and 443, like for your website. It's gonna show us the IPs, etc. So, are you ready to scan the internet? Buckle up and let's get started.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
All right. So, as you can see here, Masscan is a fast scan of the internet. So now what we can do, if you're new to Masscan, you can actually type Masscan dash help or dash H and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you see that a lot of things that you can do. They give you a head start. So what we are going to do today, we are going to just scan the internet. To do so, we are going to type the following: Masscan dash ss. I'm going to explain every single comment dash pn and then dash dash open dash only, and then the port that we are going to scan, port 80 and then 443, which is HTTP and HTTPS. And after that, the rate gonna be 1000, and then we are going to exclude dash dash exclude 192.168.0.0, and then the mask, and then 0.0.0.0. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to try to explain all the comment. The Masscan is a comment, and then after that, you have the HS, which is for the TCP SI sync scan, SYN. Dash PN is treat all hosts as online, and dash open only show only open ports, and P80 443 it's to scan port 80 and 443. Rate 1000, scan rate 1000 packets per second. And as you can see here, we have exclude 192.168.0.0 with a subnet mask of 16, which means that exclude all local network because you don't want to scan the local network. And then what we actually scan is 0.0.0.0, which is scan the entire internet. If you are familiar with the cloud, especially AWS, you see that many times when something is publicly available to all network, this is 0.0.0.0. Alright, so and then what we can actually do, we can just hit enter. Oh, they say it's failed because we need to be admin. What we can actually do, we can just put sudo in front of it, sudo, and hit enter, and then put the password. Alright, there we go. As you can see here, this is to start to scan. So it's gonna show you like IP address. These are actually website. If you copy those IPs, you're gonna be able to just go to them. So the idea is, many times if you have a website, a web server, so you want to open port 80 and 443, otherwise nobody will be able to visit your website. So this can gonna take a while, but I'm going to pause the video or stop the video from here because the purpose of this video is to show you how to scan the entire internet. So that's it. You've successfully scanned the entire internet. As you can see here, if you had to wait for a long time, so you are going to all this gonna be scanned. So this is gonna take a very long time. Just wanted to show you guys, how to scan the entire internet. Now, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy scanning.